Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today we Group 6 will be presenting about our project that is a reverse engineering project of TOMMAN Samurai Tiny X spinning fishing reels that was done with Solidwork apps for advanced engineering and advanced engineering graphic and CAD subject. This project was chosen due to the part complexity and challenging shape that needed for us to hone our skill with CAD. Next, I will pass my presentation to my group mate.
This is our team. The first one is Muhammad Nur Afiq. The second one is me, Aina Patricia. And the third one is Muhammad Hazrul Hamawi.
My name is Muhammad Hazrul Hawami bin Ramli. So I'm going to explain about what product that we selected for this CAD projects. So after some discussion with my group members, so we decided to choose a fishing reels. So as you can see the picture of the fishing reels in the slide, this is a small fishing reel that's suitable to catch a small fish or prawn that can be used on rivers or fishing ponds. Okay, this fishing reel were produced by a company called TOMMAN, and this model goes by the name Samurai Tiny X fishing reels. Okay, features of this fishing reel often include an aluminium spool with high power gearing system. So the body construction were typically made from high density graphite. The design is versatile, compact and suitable for all types of light fishing activities.
There are 11 parts that we decide to do reverse engineering on because of the complexity and challenges. The first part is spool release and drag adjustment. Second is line spool. Third is bail. Fourth is line roller. The fifth is reel foot. Sixth will be reel handle. 7 is reel body. 8 will be reel spinner. 9 is bearing. 10 is reel handle tightener or side switcher. The last part will be internal gearing.
This slide is about measurement. The tools that we are using to measure our fishing reel are three. The first one is vernier caliper, steel ruler, and also dial caliper. The objective of using these tools are to measure critical dimensions of fishing reel and also to ensure that the dimensions taken are correct and to generate 3D files in Solidworks.
This is where I explain about the simulation of our product that we do in the CAD software. Okay, as you can see, we're not using the entire assembly to simulate the force of it. We only take this one major part, one important part, which is a reel foot, where the other part were connected to it. Okay, the force and the torque we apply on this product were 1 Newton, and as you can see the force mainly happen in the neck of the reel foot when this force were activated, and it is safe to use this reel for light fishing or the light catch only.
Before we can do drawing in CAD or computer-aided drawing, we have made few hand sketches. These sketches was really needed for us to imagine and take necessary measurement that will help when we were drawing the CAD.
This is some of our part drawing. The first one is the reel foot and the second one is the handle body. The reel foot is actually a combination of a reel foot and also reel body. And actually, both of these drawing are the hardest one to be created in this project.
This is the animation of the exploded and the assembly of our product of fishing reels. As you can see, aside from the external part, it also have a lot of internal part like gears, washers, bearing, screws and so on, which is all assembled to become one complete fishing reels. this is the bill of material technical drawing of our product. So as you can see in the table in the right top corner in the drawing, we created about 16 items to create or to completed these fishing reels. Okay, among the part were reel foot, the line spool, the bell, handle, switcher, rod, and some standard part that provided by the Solidwork software to completed the creation of our fishing reels. Okay, we show it in the expanded view because easier for other people to see what outside and the external part of this fishing reel, so they can understand the structures of these fishing reels in the real life.
This slide show the realistic photo rendering of our project. Rendering was done for us to imagine what the part will look like in real life. This will help with deciding whether the part is suitable or not to enter the market, to enter production, and so on.
In conclusion, there are several challenges that we encountered during the measurement and also the modeling process. The first one is the reel handle body. The reel handle body is actually difficult to be measured as it have the curved line in its part. So the dimension of it could not be obtained directly from the actual part. Also similar case with the reel body. And in the modeling process, the use of CAD features such as spline, loft, and sweep was difficult and required high precision. To encounter this kind of problem, we use reference images, or insert and also trace it in Solidworks to obtain more accurate model. That's all from us. Thank you.